Hello beautiful people and welcome back to another Ital Eats and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. So today we're going to start off by making some delicious homemade blueberry syrup for my iced matcha latte. This syrup is so easy to make and so much healthier and so much more affordable than it costs when you're purchasing it from the store, because the store has a lot of extra ingredients and a lot of preservatives. This is literally so simple, just a few ingredients. Full recipe will be linked in the description box down below, of course. And yeah, this was so easy. And I would like to give a huge shout out to Nama Well for sponsoring today's video. Today I'm going to be using the Nama M1 plant-based milk maker to make my homemade banana milk that's going to be going with my matcha latte. I recently made a video that's been going viral on TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube Shorts as well. And a lot of people have been asking about the banana milk recipe. It's so simple. It just takes a couple ingredients and I can put all of the ingredients straight into my strainer for my Nama M1 plant-based milk maker. Of course, the ingredients are going to be listed in the description box down below as always. But yeah, I love this machine. It makes making plant-based milk so easy. I don't have to get a nut milk bag. I don't have to strain anything. It blends, emulsifies, and does everything for me. Not only do I use this machine to make plant-based milks, I've also used it to make juices. I've used it to make infused oils like tomato, garlic infused oil, basil infused oil, thyme infused oil, and I've also used it to make incredible lemonades like a mango lemonade. This machine is such a versatile thing to do. It can do so many different things, and it can also make a perfect creamy base for ice cream in this summer. You can also make the milk and put it into popsicle mode so you can have creamy popsicles this summer. Literally, you can do so many things with it. It also comes with a 10+ year warranty. Nama has great customer service as well, and it takes less than 2 minutes to make your milk and to strain it as well, and it lasts for a couple of days. I love this machine. I've had so many of my followers and subscribers purchase the machine and tell me how much they love it. It takes about 3 minutes to clean up and it's so easy to use. And now I'm going to be using this to make my delicious banana milk matcha latte. If you're interested, you can use my code linked in the description box down below for 10% off. These next recipes are quite simple. I'm literally just going to be making a simple fruit salad that is packed with vitamin C components like pineapple and Cape gooseberries. We want to really make sure that we're boosting our immunity, because if you're like me, you're going to be doing a lot of traveling this summer, whether you might be traveling domestically or internationally. I'm about to go on another international trip and I just came back from a domestic trip to Orlando. I went to Universal, I went to the beach. It was so much fun. So you want to make sure you're consuming a lot of vitamin C so that you can boost your immunity. right, so now we're on to our next recipe of the video. Is a basic taco bowl, kind of like Chipotle style, I guess, but better. This is packed with so much different flavors. I'm gonna be chopping up some fresh veg, like some purple cabbage for a whole heap of antioxidants, some lettuce, and I'm gonna be using my salad spinner to clean it and to make sure it's nice and dry, some cherry tomatoes. I have my own cashew queso, which will also be linked in the description box down below if you're interested in the recipe, and I'm gonna be using walnuts, garlic, and some hazelnut to make my raw taco meat crumbles. And this is so easy, so simple to make, and so packed with flavor and perfect for the summertime. I decided to also get some bell pepper and some onion and go ahead and saute that with some salt, pepper, and some oregano and some lemon juice as well. This tasted absolutely incredible and really added to the flavor of the bowl. I feel like it really needs this. I also went ahead and cooked up some white rice to serve alongside my bowl, and I cooked the white rice with some coconut milk. That was very, very tasty, but of course you can use quinoa if you wish. I just had some white rice in the pantry and I wanted to use that up, and this was so tasty and super easy to make, and this is perfect for meal prep. You have a whole heap of leftovers as well. That's it for everything today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!